banwa ko ihingad lang. Matamis ini istorya kay anamat ang dinatana ikabulagan.
But essentially, why is it know your north? Your inner compass, yung paghahanap ng sarili, points true north. That is the north we're referring to. And you cannot understand your true north and discover it unless you know yourself, unless you know the world you're moving in.
Welcome to our event this afternoon, the Know Your North Film Festival.
The Know Your North films more than 10 years ago. This search for the best film is really a search for the best stories of the North, stories of resilience, heritage, culture, and people.
It's extra important to connect with younger Filipinos. So the focus of this film festival on young filmmakers, students, and fresh graduates, I think is amazing and deserves our support and everyone's support.
So today we celebrate our filmmaker who brings stories to life and allow us to discover the riches of who we are and the amazing stories from Northern Philippines.
As filmmakers, as creators, hanapin niyo yung boses niyo. Hone it, develop it, push through with it, find your voice to be able to continually honing your skills.
Kaya kailangan yung mga kalaman ng mga matatanda na bubuhay pa. Kasi they're the best transmitters. Yung mga sa film subjects, it's nice to talk about film, about culture, about art. Pero kung hindi sinasaloob, sayang.
Pero maganda yung film kasi parang immortal na yan eh. I'd like to congratulate Victory Liner for seeing the value of the project and for Gab and the team of this event. No? Nahuli nyo at napagdugtong yung mga resources at yung enerhiya ng mga bata nakuha. Ang ganda.
At like yung isang film, ang lakas ng pakikipagkapwa sa lupa. Yun ang nawawala sa atin ngayon. Lupa naging commodity. Pero doon sa film, lupa ay buhay. Lupa ay isang importanteng aspect ng kultura natin. Kaya kailangan natin ganitong mga festival. Ang daming, lahat ng tema nakabatay sa pag-ibig sa ating sariling kultura. And I think, nakikita ko sa kabataan, may pag-asa pa yung film industry natin. They're telling their stories with love. May kasamang pagkipagkapwa, yung pagmamahal sa kapwa. Importante yon at pagmamahal sa kultura. Importante yon sa mga festival. Kaya know your north. Tuloy nyo.